Alright, so this video is really about the second part of Chapter 1, Lesson 2. I'm on page 20, okay? So page 20. Alright, so it's about ratios. And what a ratio is it's comparing, okay, two different quantities. Alright, so for example, right here, they give an example of paper clips, right? But you have 2 reds and you have 6 blue. So if you're comparing red to blue, so if you're comparing red to blue, then it's 2 to 6. Or there's 3 ways of writing it really. 2 to 6 with a colon, 2 to 6 with the word 2, and 2 divided by 6, like a fraction, okay? And those are all ways of writing a ratio. Then you can simplify ratios, and that's what you see going on right here, all right? So to simplify a ratio, you just want to divide by the greatest common factor, which in this case is 2. So you're going to divide by 2 on top, and whatever you divide by on top, you need to make sure you divide by on bottom to keep the ratio equivalent. So that's going to be 1 over 3. And it's the same thing. So notice when they break the group into 2 separate groups, the ratio becomes 1 red to 3 blue, 1 red to 3 blue. And it's the same as this. 2 red to 6 blue is the same as 1 red to 3 blue, 1 red to 3 blue. It's all the same, okay? So, right here, it says, okay, well, what's the ratio of suns to moons? Suns to moons, okay? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 suns to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 moons. Can I simplify it? Well, what's the greatest common factor? What's the biggest number that divides 4 and 6? And that's going to be 2. So if I divide by 2, that's going to equal 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then it says, then explain its meaning. So there's the ratio simplified. The meaning is that for every 2 suns, there are 3 moons. Okay? So I'm comparing suns to moons. Alright, going on. Again, I'm not going to spend a ton of time explaining anything. I'm actually just going to go through it quick, and you can rewind the video and rewatch it because I'm trying to at least explain it in the meaning. Okay, like as I'm going through it, I'm trying to explain what I'm doing, but I'm not going to go super in depth with it. So it says, Monday's yogurt sales are recorded in the table, right? The ratio that compares the sales of strawberry yogurt to the total sales, then explain its meaning. Okay, so strawberry yogurt was 8. The total sales was that of strawberry yogurt, vanilla yogurt, 6 of the blueberry yogurt, and peach yogurt. So totaling, 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 6 is 21, plus 3 is 24. 24. So now the ratio of, look, write a ratio that compares the sales of strawberry yogurt to total yogurt. So strawberry yogurt is 8, to total yogurt is 24. The greatest common factor of 8 and 24 is actually 8. 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1, 24 divided by 8 is 3, or 1, 2, 3. So 1 out of every 3 yogurt cups sold was strawberry. Alright, let's see what else we got over here. Okay. So, write each ratio as a fraction in simplest form, then explain its meaning. Okay, so pens to pencils. So let's count the pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pens. 6 pens to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pencils. And it says, okay, there's the ratio. Now, simplest form, okay, so I need to divide by a greatest common factor, and that's going to be 2. And that's going to equal 6 divided by 2 is 3, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So here is the ratio, and its meaning, without me writing it, is for every 3 pens, there are 4 pencils. Or right here, fills to dirhams, okay? So, fills, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 fills. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, dirhams. All right, so greatest common factor is 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 on both the top and the bottom. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize you couldn't see that. All right, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So there's a simplified version. What does this mean? It means that for every 1 fill, there are 3 dirhams. There's 1 fill to 3 dirhams. So I can write it like this. 1 fill to every 3 dirhams. All right, I think I'm done with this video, guys. It's really that easy. Maybe, shoot, I'll just do 2 more. That's it. All right, write each ratio as a fraction in simplest form, then explain its meaning. Okay, so flutes to drums. How many flutes do I see? 1, 2, 3, 4 flutes. 4 flutes to 1, 2 drums. Okay, I'm gonna write it a little bit differently. 4 to 3. Oh, what am I saying? 4 to 2. All right. Divide by 2 on the top and the bottom. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So what does this mean? It means that there's 2 flutes to every 1 drum. Or sandwiches to milk. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sandwiches to every 4, 8, 10 milks. Okay, so divide by the greatest common factor, which is going to be 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So there's 2 sandwiches to every 5 cartons of milk, and that's the explanation. All right, going on to the next video.